Today we are going to interface the 16x2 LCD display in the 4-bit mode. In the 4-bit mode means that we are using only 4 bits of the LCD for the data transfer. In the 8-bit mode, we usually the data transfer with the help of 8 bits, but we are in the 4-bit mode, data transmission takes with the 4 bit. This is diagram of LCD, and in the diagram the 4 data pins are connected to microcontroller with the port of a microcontroller LPC2148, and these are the control bits of the LCD. This is register select, and this is the read write, and this is for the enable, and the controlling function of this is here. The LCD displays values with the help of commands, and that command should be sent with the help of data pins, and for the sending of command this control bit select is used. When this bit is 0, this LCD is considered in the command mode. When this register select bit is taken as 0 and read write, 0 is for write and 1 is for the read, so the LCD is in the command mode, and for the data send the register select bit is 1 and the read write is corresponding 0 for write and 1 for read. In this way we send the data, and for every command or every data sending we have to enable the enable pin. Enable pin requires a high to low pulse of at least 450 nanosecond. These are the various commands for the LCD screen, and the first command is 0x28H. This is in the hexadecimal. That command is for initializing the LCD in the 4-bit mode. We are using LCD in the 4-bit mode, that's why we have to put the value 0x28 in that. This is the command 0x0E that will make the display on and cursor blink. And the third command is 0x06, that is for the shifting of cursor to the right side, shift cursor right. And the command is 0x01 for the clearing of the whole screen, and 0x80 is move the cursor to the first line of the position. That's the display is of 2 sections. 16 data are present in the LCD first line and 16 data are present in the second line. So when we write the command 0x80, the data will be written from the first line position, and the command 0x C0 is the data writing from the second line of the LCD screen. These are the basic commands which are generally used in any program LCD interfacing. For the 16x2 LCD in the 4-bit mode. This is the header file, and these are the functions defined and variable defined, and in the main function we are calling the init function, which display the characters which we want to display on the LCD screen. And this is the init function, initialization function. In this we have used command function and display2 function. The command function is for setting the command for the initialization of LCD in the either in clearing display, for rotating display, or for any other things. And display function will print the value, the characters nation innovation on the second line, because it is written here too. This is the LCD command function, and this is the LCD data function. And in the display function, int row and string character, and this function will display the characters in the first row if the command value is 0x80, and it will display in the second row if the command is C0. And here we want to display in the second row, that's why we have written 2 in the display function, and after that nation innovation. So finally this code will print nation innovation on the second line of the LCD. See the interfacing of 16x2 LCD display with the ARM-7 processor. This is LPC2148 processor, and the LCD display is on the board, and we are interfacing the onboard LCD display with this ARM processor. Let's power up the circuit. After programming, we are pressing reset key, and this is junk file, and we have printed the nation innovation on the LCD screen. My LCD is working fine, and thank you very much.